to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction, I am super stoked. I'm super stoked. This is the teaser for RRR. This is the intro for the second character, Bheem. Ramaraju for Bheem. This is Junior NTR's intro. Now, in the beginning of the year, actually, we had gotten the intro for Ram Charan's character, Ramaraju. That was Bheem for Ramaraju, and this is Ramaraju for Bheem. Now, this movie is one of the most anticipated films like in overall in our country, because SS Rajamouli has delivered the magnanimous Bahubali, and because of that the hype for this movie is insane. It's insane because I feel when I had seen the intro, Ram Charan's intro, I thought, this is my personal opinion, that I think SS Rajamouli is actually aiming to break all the Bahubali records. That's what I feel, because we know his movie is going to be like a visual treat. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's watch this intro. Yes. Okay. Wow. It's going to be exciting. Very exciting. Okay. Whew. Oh, water! That was sort of fire. Visuals. Oh.
तूफानी समंदर भी जिसके आगे खामोश हो जाए.
Okay. Oh wow, the visuals.
हर सरताज जिसके आगे सर झुकाए. लहराते झंडे पर है जिसको नाज. बाहों में ताकत, आंखें जैसे बाज.
Cinematography and
की जाति
visual
का
effects.
लाल, जंगल का दुलाल. मेरा भाई मेरा यार.
Oh, he looks
गोंड
great.
का अहंकार. कोमुरम भीम.
I didn't know he was a Muslim character. I didn't know that. So why is the name Bheem? I mean, let me know. Oh my god. Yes. This is gonna be amazing. Those droplets of water that were shown, the visual effects, this is gonna be like a visual treat. This is gonna be a visual treat. Rise, roar and revolt. Yes. Oh my goodness. I do not know like how the story or how gripping the screenplay is going to be. I hope it is good, but looking at this teaser, just this teaser, the visual effects look insane. And yes, I know SS Rajamouli will be very intricately looking at how his movie is looking visually. He gives a lot of importance to the visual effects as well as the background score. The background score also sounds great. He looks, Junior NTR looks amazing. He looks amazing. Even Ram Charan, he looked amazing in his teaser. I liked it. In fact, I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Now, like I said, I do not know how gripping it's going to be in terms of the script. I hope it is. I hope it is. But I feel as an audience, the pull for us as an audience, overall the masses, is the visual treat, because he has delivered a similar project with Bahubali. So we know, we in our minds as an audience have a certain standard set that what we are going to get visually from this movie in terms of the effects and how the entire movie looks along with the background score. And it looks like a magnum opus, of course. I hope the storyline is as great as it looks. on screen. I'm really hoping this movie does well. This is gonna break all records. I'm already foreseeing it. This is going to break records left, right, and center. Left, right, and center. I cannot wait for the actual trailer to drop. Even the trailer is going to set records, I'm telling you. So yeah guys, that was my reaction for the Bheem intro of the upcoming film, one of the most anticipated films, RRR. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I hope you've come till the end of the video. If you have, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.